In this video, I am going to solve a problem on replacement theory. So in the previous video which I have posted, I have solved a problem on this replacement. So under the condition of replacement of items whose maintenance cost increases with respect to time and the money value is constant. This problem is also deals with the same condition with a little bit difference. So I'm going to read out the problem statement. The maintenance cost and resale value per year of a machine whose purchase price is rupees 7,000 is given below. The question is, when should the machine be replaced? Um, Kindly look at this table. The values are given. The maintenance cost and resale value is given in this table for 8 years. So the maintenance cost, see the pattern, the maintenance cost is increasing with respect to the time. And see the pattern of resale value, the resale value is getting decreased as the time goes. The resale value is also called as scrap value. So capital cost will be the purchasing price is 7,000 and the maintenance cost is given. Both costs are invested on the machine and the resale value or the scrap value is written from the machine when it is scrapped. So we have to find out the age at which the machine has to be replaced. So in the previous problem, the resale value means the scrap value is constant. But in this problem, the resale value is varying. So this is the difference between the previous problem and this one under the same condition. So we will move into the solution part. So make a table like this. So in the first column, so fill the year. Then the second column, so it denotes the maintenance cost. So in the first year, see the table, the maintenance cost will be 900 and the cumulative maintenance cost will be same 900. The capital cost, as we know that this is 7,000, this is constant value, and the resale value in the first year, so that is 4,000. The total cost, as I said earlier, capital and maintenance cost are invested on the machine, but the scrap value, resale value is written from the machine. So the total cost is the addition of both capital and maintenance cost, and from the added value we have to subtract the scrap value or resale value to get the total cost. So for this first year, I will write out the total cost T equal to C plus summation of ut minus S. So C is the capital cost, that is 7,000 plus summation of ut, that is 900, minus the scrap value is 4,000, so equal to 3,900. And the average cost is the total cost divided by that particular year. So the total cost is 3,900 divided by year, that is 1, equal to 3,900. For the second year, the maintenance cost from the table we can take the values, that is 1,200. The cumulative maintenance cost, here we have to add the maintenance cost of the present year and the maintenance cost of the previous years. So add this 900 with 1,200, The cumulative maintenance cost at the end of second year will be 2100, and the capital cost will not vary. And the second year, the scrap value will be 2000, and the total cost will be um, 7100, and the average cost will be 7100 divided by 2 equal to 3550. The third year, the maintenance cost will be 1600, cumulative maintenance cost will be 3700. So add this 1600 with this 2100, and the capital cost will be 7000, and scrap value is 1200, and the total cost will be 9500, and the average cost will be 9500 divided by 3, that is 3166. For fourth year, the maintenance cost will be for fourth year the maintenance cost will be 2100, and cumulative maintenance cost will be 5800, capital cost 7000, and resale value is 600, and the total cost will be 1200, 12200, and the average cost will be 3050. For fifth year, the maintenance cost will be 2800, and the cumulative maintenance cost will be 3600. The capital cost will be 7000. The resale value um, at the end of fifth year is 500. Total cost will be 15100, and the average cost will be 3020. Okay. For sixth year, the maintenance cost will be 3700, and the cumulative maintenance cost will be 12300, and the capital cost 7000. Resale value will be 400, and the total cost will be 18900, and average cost will be 3150. For seventh year, the maintenance cost will be 4700, and the cumulative maintenance cost will be 17000, capital cost 7000, resale value 400, total cost 23600, and the average cost 3371. For eighth year, the maintenance cost will be 5900, and the cumulative maintenance cost 22900, capital cost is 7000, resale value that is 400, and the total cost will be 29500, and average cost will be 3687. So almost we have arrived to the solution. Okay, so you can hope you can able to see the values clearly. Okay, so from the table, um, the main look at the two columns, that is maintenance cost per year, it means the particular year, and the average cost. So the end of first year, the maintenance cost is 900, and the average cost is 3900. So the maintenance cost is less than the average cost. So for the end of second year, the maintenance cost will be 1200 and the average cost will be 3550. At the end of third year, the maintenance cost 1600 and the average cost will be 3166. So it will goes like that. Um, so see the fifth year, the maintenance cost is 2800 and the average cost will be 3020. For the sixth year, the maintenance cost will be 3700. So highlight this one. So for sixth year, it consumes 3700 rupees for maintenance, but the end of fifth year, the average cost is 3200. Sorry, 3020. So look at these two values. So the thousand, sorry, at the end of fifth year, the average cost will be 3020 only. But for sixth year, the machine consumes 3700 rupees for maintenance, which is greater than average cost in the previous year. So average cost at the end of fifth year is less than the maintenance cost of the next year. So if we still continue with the same machine, it consumes more amount of money for maintenance itself. So it is not economical for the organization or a company or a firm. So the responsible person immediately have to replace the machine at the end of fifth year. So then only it will be profitable or economically suitable. So the answer is at the end of fifth year, the machine maybe has to be replaced. Replaced by new one. Okay, so this is the answer for this um, problem. So as I said already earlier, so in the previous video, I have posted one problem. So both the previous problem and this one is almost the same. So the only difference is in the previous problem the resale value or the scrap value is constant. But in this problem, the resale value is getting varying with respect to time. So um, keep it in your mind and proceed with some other